Welcome back, Oasis Nation. Welcome back to Castro Oasis. We figured it was about time we did a shop tour because it's been a while, and now we're ramping up all of our cars, video content, and everything. We want to bring you along and show you what we have planned, what's to come, what we're currently working on, and what else there is to see. So to start off, we're going to go right here to the outside. Me walking around so the camera can keep up. But this is our main home. This is where all the magic happens. So we do a little bit of everything here. We do PPF, paint correction, ceramic coating. But what we're really known for too, on top of all that, are Class A workers in there that love to do that stuff. We also have the state-of-the-art car wash as well. So we're about to give you a grand tour. We're gonna go through it. We're gonna tell you what we put into it. On top of that, we're also gonna show you the inside, the plans that we have coming, and then we're gonna show you the projects that we're currently working on. So come with me and let's take a quick tour. All right, so these are the main doors. Every time anybody comes through, this is what you're gonna be greeted with. Usually we have all our clean cars out here ready for a show to all our clients when they come through. But if you follow me, you'll be greeted by this extraordinarily beautiful lobby, very well designed. Has a lot of color, a lot of pop, a very comfortable area for everyone that comes through to sit down, watch the cars get cleaned. Over to the right, I'll show you in a second, we'll have our main shop, and then this is the front desk where you can kind of see what we focus on. So we got every little detail there. We got what we offer. We got examples of the other services that we provide, like ceramic coating. And then on top of that, it's just a beautiful waiting area where we usually host events as well. So this is usually packed with people, food, depends on what we're hosting that week. And this is where we kind of come together as a community. So to our current clients, you might have noticed a couple of changes in the lobby. We've added a brand new wall for an upcoming project that we have, so stay tuned with that. If you want to look closer, you can see the cool colors that we're going to be offering for it. But anyways, up until that happens, we have some other side projects that are also expanding within this area. So recently, Avjoy has taken place over here. So it's one of the catering companies that is offered. She makes cookies, catering. You'll be seeing a lot of her pretty soon as well, but this is the corner that will be taking place right there. So we'll be offering cookies pretty soon. They're god tier. Like cookie crumble that has nothing on hers. Just gonna throw that out there. So over in this area, we've added a new rack that has some of our newer merch. We just launched it about 4 weeks ago. We have some really cool designs. All of them are inspired by our current shop cars, ranging from our Lamborghini to our BRZ GR86 and our GT4 RS, as well as some simpler designs that just speak to the community that we're trying to build together. So this is where you'll see it. All of these are available at oasisnationauto.com. So make sure to check it out. And if you find something there, we'd be happy to have you join the family within it. All right, now we're gonna head on over to the car wash to show you what makes this one of the best in the country. So with that, I'm gonna bring the brainchild of that designed the whole system over here, Luis Castro. Oh, hi.
That was a great introduction. So without further ado, let's go see it.
Yeah, show me what you got.
There you go. This is the only hand car wash of its type here in Connecticut. So let's start with a conveyor belt. It is completely flat. That means your car can be 3/4 of an inch high. So if you have any sport car that is super low, it'll be able to fit here. Because if you can drive less than 3/4 of an inch, kudos to you, because the Connecticut roads are not that great. Also, you can fit it up to a dually. We chose different arches to do different kind of chemicals depending on what is needed for your particular vehicle. And we chose to be a hand car wash because we tested other automated systems. Problem with automated systems is that they're very consistent, but they cannot clean your car like this one does. My background is in electrical engineering, so my engineering degree was put into a test on this particular system.
So that's basically it for the car wash. They take care of everything. They have rock stars here that are cleaning cars from the inside to the outside. As you can see there, that's one that's going into the detailing process as well. So you'll get to, if you come through, you'll get to meet the staff. They're super, super friendly. They'll take care of your car like it's their own. Actually, better than their own most of the time. So this is our beauty bay. This is where you can basically take care of the entire car. Here you can see any type of scratches with the help of these LED lights. If you're getting any paint correction service, any ceramic, any PPF added on, we can see all the problems before they happen and fix them. So that way you're getting the best car. So moving on, you can see we have a full shop this week. It's always busy. There's always something going on. So we have everything from your Lexuses to your classics, to your ultra classics, to your work trucks, to your sports cars. We're gonna do a full tour on every single one of them slowly. Comment down below which one you wanna see the most, because we have probably like 4 or 5 very unique cars that you'll start seeing on the channel a little bit more often. But for example, this one's getting prepped for PPF. That one just rolled in. I don't really know what's going on with that one yet. We'll get to it eventually. But you can see here in the shop that even our biggest trucks are getting the best care possible. So over here, we'll show you some rock stars and we'll ask them what they're doing.
What's up?
Tell us what you're doing.
What are we doing? We're working on doing PPF on this 450.
Okay. Yeah, how long does it typically take?
For this kind of job we're doing right now, we usually take like a day. So we do the whole bumper, partial hood, partial bed, and pretty much that's it.
Damn. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
there's a lot of custom pieces.
We love that.
Sure.
But yeah, so on top of that, there's also some custom work going on over here. From the classics, a full rebuild from engine bay to interior. This project, I don't know if we'll be showing very much of. It's a slow progress, but this is the client car that likes to take his time. So obviously we go at their pace. We have some unique imports straight from Latin America. You'll see them scattered all around the shop. They're little cool Easter eggs. Always, whenever you come in, ask the owners about them. They got really good, interesting stories. We got a really cool one. So this is our Paul Walker Evo 9. This thing is pushing around 800 horsepower right now to the wheel. It's crazy overbuilt. You might be seeing it again a lot more. Actually, we might be giving it away in August or sometime around there. So if you wanted to give away, make sure you sound off, because it's really sick. Over here we have one of the shop GT4 RSs, and then the GT500 Mustang. So that one you might be seeing on the channel a little bit more. This one we have the twin brother, which is codenamed Morpheus. You'll see it outside. Those are gonna be starting to be seen on the track once we get more comfortable with the track days. And then here you can see the rest of the customer cars. So this is a classic. I don't really know what's being done to this one, but it's really nice. Oh, this one's getting a nice detail apparently. But you'll see. We got that M3? What is this? M3. Ooh, with the badging. We like that. Classic badging. Okay, full frontal PPF and ceramic, including rocker panels. So that's gonna look really clean, and especially on a black color, it's gonna make it shine properly. Everyone says ceramic is overpriced, but honestly, once you try it on and you have a black car, you'll never think about it twice, because it'll make it look like the night is glowing. It's crazy. Here we have a Mercedes that's being currently worked on, but you'll see this customer liked his stuff very custom. So he's got the heat shield painted, calipers, lower control arms. I've never even thought about customizing my car to this level, but I low-key love it. You spin my head right round, right? Oh, so this is a Volvo that's getting ready to head out to his customer. So once the car completes its phase between paint correction, ceramic coating, PPFing, it'll go here where the customer can come pick it up and admire it under our big bright lights. So if there are any issues, we can pick them up at the exact moment. Granted, very little options, but things happen in the day, like during the day. So we like to make sure that they're aware of everything. And yeah, so that is the workshop. So you'll be seeing a lot of the space coming soon, because we're gonna be doing a lot of work on all our cars, and we're gonna showing them off. We're gonna start doing track days, filming the preparations. Yeah, you'll be seeing a lot more of the shop. We're gonna be filming a lot of show cars, or like preparations for shows. We're gonna be hosting events as well. So on July 11th, we're actually hosting an event here in Connecticut for breast cancer awareness. We're partnering up with the Beamer Girls. So if you're in town, please show up for that. Got a lot of cool stuff coming through. We got music, food trucks, and VIP parking for the pink cars. So that'll be cool. So I don't know if you guys remember, but in the beginning of the video, in the lobby, we have a wall full of frogs, as we like to call them here, because like, look at them, like, look at the little frogs. But anyways, so this is just a little teaser. We'll show you what we're currently working on. Okay, so before we show you what we're gonna show you, I wanted to take a minute and do a shameless plug for our merch. It's a really cool shirt. I think you should get one. OasisNationAuto.com. But we forgot 2 of our major cars. So We have this little thing. I don't really know what it is. We're gonna have to talk to one of the owners because they bought it and they brought it. I actually don't think I've ever seen this car drive. But behind it, we have our shop Lambo, twin turbo, 700 horsepower. Also, the shirt is available online as well. This is cool. You'll see it at a lot of shows. We'll be doing a couple more videos with it, promoting stuff. Well, let's go this way and I'll show you because it's really loud right now. I don't know if the microphone can pick that up. All right, so this is a work in progress. It's not fully done, but this is going to be where a paint booth will be put in. Based on the colors and what we've shown you, you can kind of guess what's happening, but I don't know if you will. If you do guess it, put it in the comments, because could it be paint? Maybe it's not, maybe something similar. I don't know, we'll see. But eventually, this will be a full-blown high-tech paint booth. It's taking a little time to build. We built a temporary one just to see how it works, how to get the process done, see what is needed, but this will be up and coming, so stay tuned. So that's pretty much it, guys. That wraps up our entire Castro Oasis tour. We're gonna try and do yearly updates on these types of things because our shop is changing constantly. We have a bunch of new projects and new ideas that are coming to fruition, and we're gonna be working on a bunch of new cool stuff. So keep coming back to the channel, keep checking in on our socials, Oasis Nation on TikTok, Instagram, and then Castro Oasis for our detailing side of the business. You'll be seeing a lot more of us, a lot more of the cars. If there's something that stood out and you have questions, feel free to ask. We'll try and reply to them as much as we can. And then if you're in Connecticut, stop by. We love to see you. We love to meet you. We're doing bunches of giveaways this summer, sweepstakes, mixes in. We're doing some track days with our customers too. So if that interests you, make sure you let us know, and then we'll keep you updated. So if you like these types of videos, let us know. We love to make them. We love to show you around. Make sure to sound off, and then we look forward to hearing from you. Have a good day. Peace.